The cell membrane, also known as the plasma membrane, is a crucial component of all living cells. It serves as a barrier that separates the interior of the cell from its external environment, playing a vital role in maintaining cellular integrity and function. Definition and structure. Composition. The cell membrane is primarily composed of a phospholipid bilayer, which consists of phospholipids arranged with hydrophilic, water-attracting heads facing outward, and hydrophobic, water-repelling tails facing inward. This arrangement creates a semi-permeable barrier. As in proteins, embedded within this bilayer are various proteins that serve multiple functions, including transport, signaling, and structural support. These proteins can be categorized into two types. Integral proteins span the entire membrane and can facilitate the passage of molecules. Peripheral proteins located on the inner or outer surface of the membrane and often play roles in signaling and maintaining the cell's shape. Other components. The membrane also contains cholesterol, which helps maintain fluidity and stability, as well as carbohydrates that are involved in cell recognition and communication. Functions. The cell membrane performs several essential functions. Selective permeability. It regulates what enters and exits the cell. Small nonpolar molecules, like oxygen and carbon dioxide, can pass freely, while larger or charged molecules require specific transport mechanisms. And transport mechanisms. Passive transport. Movement of substances across the membrane without energy expenditure, such as diffusion and osmosis. Active transport. Requires energy to move substances against their concentration gradient through protein pumps. Endocytosis and exocytosis. Processes for engulfing large particles or expelling materials from the cell. End-cell communication. The presence of receptors on the membrane allows cells to receive signals from their environment, facilitating communication between cells. Glycoproteins and glycolipids play key roles in this recognition process. Homeostasis maintenance. By controlling the internal environment of the cell, the membrane helps maintain homeostasis, ensuring optimal conditions for cellular processes. Fluid Mosaic Model. The structure of the cell membrane is often described by the Fluid Mosaic Model, which illustrates that the membrane is not static, it is flexible and dynamic, and various components, lipids, proteins, carbohydrates, move laterally within the layer, resembling a mosaic. And this model helps explain how membranes can self-heal and adapt to changes in shape or size. Importance. Understanding the cell membrane is critical for various biological fields. It helps explain how substances move in and out of cells, the basis of many diseases related to membrane dysfunction, e.g. cystic fibrosis, the design of drug delivery systems and therapeutic approaches. In summary, the cell membrane is a complex yet essential structure that plays a fundamental role in cellular function by providing protection, facilitating communication, and regulating transport processes.